Hello all. So today we are going to see about that some interesting topic about the self casting and as well as the investment casting. So we just made a case study about these two different kind of comparison which has been used for these two kind of casting manufacturing process. Along with that, we just see some kind of application which has been used in our normal life, and also in particular we just seen about this castings usage in the components manufacturing of automobiles, and what are the major components which has been manufactured with the help of self casting and as well as the investment casting, and how it has been differed from one casting to another casting along with that manufacturing of the products, and give some of the applications regarding this kind of casting process, and how the efficiency of the work has been achieved with the help of these two different kind of casting, since it's involved the same kind of components which has been manufactured. So generally casting is not an it is not newly launched. It is not has been launched since from 20th or 19th century. So since from the very beginning state, it is starting from the previous year, like in 17th century it has been. In 17th century onwards it has been started, and it has been used for making the arrows, coins, knives. Along with that, there is so many components which has been manufactured, that we know that. So it is the history, it is a historical large kind of canon which has been used for that manufacturing by the help of casting. You just kindly see this picture, the all components what it has been manufactured only with the help of casting has been done. The same components, the same shape which has been achieved throughout the process, but we just see this kind of ice cream or whatever the shapes that we get it in eatables, and as well as for components manufacturing. Since if it involves the mass production, we just need to take care about that cooling time and carefully which has been monitored with the help of temperature and the mixture composition. So it has been made with the help of that type of manufacturing process and whatever the process which has been done in our previous thing, and we just made about the self casting and investment casting to the in terms of comparison by the mixture composition. So these are the common kind of patterns which has been universally followed for manufacturing the castings it involves, and it allows to solidify for that given stage of process for the given duration, and this kind of methodology has been taken for making that engine components in particular. So generally we are using the dry sand and as well as the coarse sand for manufacturing these two components, but when we take this category of shell molding, the majority of the temperature and the melting point which is almost same, and it has been suitable for all kind of manufacturing process, and in particular if you point out the application, it may take from small pulleys, motor, housing, fan blades, cylinders, cylinder heads, and brake drums, which are these are all the some common applications which has been done by using that shell molding. But at the same time, it has been not been used for large components manufacturing. So that is why it has been highlighted with the help of small pulleys and motor housing and fan blades. So in this case, if you're going to take an application of investment casting, it provides the wax throughout the substance. The same kind of materials which has been used for the casting manufacturing, but at the only it has been differed in the temperature range, and by adding the wax and by removing the wax, so that it can the curing of the process which has been quickly solidified, and it has been, that is a wax pattern has been solidified along with that mercury or plastic which has been universally followed for it. So the major applications which has been used in the investment casting is some of the examples. If you're going to take surgical instruments, vanes, blades, costume jewelry, valve bodies, and reciprocating slides. If you're going to take about the vanes and blades, it involves, that is a big machinery process which has been manufactured with the help of investment casting. So the common casting divides when you're going to take a comparison in both the cell and as well as the investment We just point out that blowholes, shift, hot tears, and cold shuts. These are the common kind of errors which has been occurred throughout these two different kind of process. So with this I just go on start up and we will meet on next session. Thanks so much.